Guess what we're doing today?
Statue of Liberty.
You guessed it. We're catching a ferry to the island. Apparently you can't get up to the Crown, but I got tickets. Hopefully I get the right train. Lately I've been getting like at least 3 or 4 trains wrong before I get on the right one. But all good, we end up getting there in the end. It's alright. I'm grateful that I'm here. The chocolate croissant. Look at this. Beautiful. I love it! Pretty sure the ferries go all day, but it's said to get 15 minutes beforehand. I'm 15 minutes afterhand. Caught the right train the first time. It's the first time in a couple of days where I've done that, so.
Take nothing out of the bag, bro.
I got camera film I needed.
Okay.
Can't go through this. I'm gonna be on one of those bad boys tonight. I'll tell you what, the autofocus on this is bin. I've got the Sony A1 with me. I think it's about -3 degrees right now. That boat ride was getting around as well. Look at them all. There she is. So I was talking to old mate, the guard, and he reckons that they're understaffed because of COVID. And that's why the Crown is closed, because they don't have enough people and it's a really confined area. Obviously, top of the Crown. COVID is why you can't get up to the Crown. I don't know why, I'm surprised, but. Dude to be taking second looks at my camera at this, thinking it's a gun or something. I'm not sure if I'm correct, but I'm pretty sure that the Statue of Liberty is 131 years old.
And we won't have to cry no more.
Back, get the hell out of here. Give me that. Yeah. Museum was awesome. Can't believe I almost forgot to go in there. Now I'm filled up with knowledge made by the French as a gift to Americans when slavery was abolished. A few coins getting around. Oh. Yeah. We're off. I'm starving. It's freezing. I'm gonna go back to my ends and get some food because it's too far of a walk here and it's absolutely freezing. I'm gonna hop on the subway where it's warm. Wall Street's only a few stops down, so I decided to stop off here. Maybe we can look for some food. There is the New York Stock Exchange. Look at the defense they got on this place. No cars getting in up there. Mr. Trump's building. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, if you're interested. Steamy potholes.
Pizza time.
Yum. Check, check. Number 2, Michael, Action Boys. In the deep end. This evening is the evening where I'm going on a helicopter ride around New York City for sunset, 30 minutes, with Fly Nyon Helicopter Company based here in Jersey City. I've been looking forward to this for a very long time. It's an open door helicopter flight. The links will be in the description. If you also come to New York and you want to go on a helicopter ride, yeah, you can take 2 things up. So I'm taking this camera, which is my Sony A7 III with a 16mm lens on it, and I thought, well, you can't change lenses while you're up there, so I reached out to Hello World Communications and they have decided to give me the Sony A1 camera with a 24-70mm. Check out my previous videos in the description if you want. You can see this in action on the street in New York walking around. It ain't cheap, I'll say that much, so this is why I got my hands on one for a couple of days thanks to Hello World, based here in New York City. So I'm gonna take that and my camera up with me. I got the 24-70 on the Sony A1. If you ever come to New York and you want to hire something that you usually can't afford, you can rent one for a couple of days and take it around, do whatever you want. Obviously, don't break it, but get some banger photos like I hopefully will be doing this afternoon for sunset. So, you know, sometimes it's worth it. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm doing this helicopter ride, so I'm gonna take advantage and take 2 cameras up with me. And also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'm an Australian. I'm traveling through America at the moment. Also, if you want to support me, my Patreon in the description, you can click the link. $1, $3 or $10 a month, I think. I post videos on there that no one else gets to see unless you are on Patreon, and those videos are different, intense, and I would say they're very entertaining, but it's up to you to find out. So shout out to Fly Nyon and shout out to Hello World Communications for making this whole thing possible. So we're about to leave. I'm going to hop on the subway, get as close as I can, and then get an Uber to the hangar. Off we go. They reckon it's going to be -15 up there in the helicopter. I've got 3 jumpers on, got some gloves, I got 2 pairs of socks on, 2 layers of socks. So.
Shut it on down, back in. So you wanna do this shit tonight, cause it might hurt, baby, you know what I'm saying? It might hurt you when I get up in the morning and leave, you know what I mean? Take that walk, you know what I mean?
Some good pictures. Got all the cameras.
I hope so.
Yeah. These are with the lottery.
Shut it on down, back in.
Alright, let's see about split the difference. Just sit back, relax for me. Got some shoulder straps here. Alright, don't get a little close and personal as you get you strapped in, alright? Do you have enough cameras?
Probably not.
Clear!
Basically, if this can play with me, she paying me. I'm on some damn shit for real. It's 2 a.m. club, was about to close up. Thumbing through my contacts, about to call one of my hoes up. Then I met you, kick game, and followed you to the breakfast spot. Fuck you like I'm married to that night up in the Marriott. Feel like you got your cherry pop. Talking, switching up positions, thought this shit would never stop. Motherfucker in the mission, damn. Here we go again, baby. Gotta take that walk now, baby. Under my pillow, making make she a necklace, twisting up cigarillo. I beat that Thursday night and Friday morning off to where she go. Time to take that walk, just take it dick, don't take it personal. Your friends probably gon' call you a hoe, but you trippin' on. Them bitches wanna grip on the same dick you be sitting on. And your girl Monique, she be hitting me when her nigga gone. Trying to buy some bitch, she receiving nothing but pickies on.
Well, broskies, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to support me, my links will be in the description for Patreon. Good fun. Stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. Peace.